Hello and welcome to your channel English with Hassan. This channel is for anyone who wants to learn English from the very beginning.
Present continuous form and use. So verb to be in present simple positive. I am, your, his, she's, it's, where, your, there. So try to remember this because we studied it many times, so it should be very clear to you. Let's go to the negative form. I am not, you aren't, he isn't, she isn't, it isn't, we aren't, you aren't, they aren't. Let's go to the question form. So in the question form, the verb to be is first. Am I? Are you? So in this lesson, we are going to use just are you as a question, and the answer should be either yes I am or no I am not. So we are not going to study he, she, it, we, you, they in today's lesson. We are going to use just I am and are you. And in the coming lessons, we are going to use the other pronouns. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. حد سعيد. إلى اللقاء. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.